Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on group, lecture number 18, in which I will frame formula for order of an integral power of an element in a group. Now we solve a problem. Let G with given binary operation be a group and let A belongs to G and A is of finite order n. Then for any integer k, prove that order of A to the power k equal to n by HCF of n and k. Now we solve this solution. Given that G be a group, A belongs to G and order of A equal to n, implies that A to the power n equal to identity element. N be the least positive integer. Let k be any integer we have to find order of A to the power k. Let Nk means GCD of n and k, that is HCF of n and k equal to m. Therefore m divides n and m divides k, implies that n equal to pm and k equal to qm, where p and q are integers such that GCD of PQ equal to 1. GCD means HCF. We denote HCF by this bracket. Let this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Let order of A to the power k equal to R. This is number 4, this is number 5. Implies that A to the power k to the power R equal to identity element. Implies that A to the power k R equal to identity element. This is number 6. Since we know that A to the power n is identity element, where n is the least positive integer. Here A to the power kr is identity element.
From 1 and 6, we get that n divides kr.
Implies that n equal to pm divides kr, implies that this is pm and k is qm r, using theory, and this is using 2, implies that P divides R, because here we see this M, here also M, and GCD of PQ is 1. This is number 7. Now, A to the power K to the power P equal to A to the power Kp. This is equal to A to the power K means Qm from 3 P, and this is equal to A to the power Q Pm. Pm means N. This is equal to A to the power N to the power Q. A to the power N from 1, identity element. Power Q equal to identity element. This is number 8. Since A to the power K to the power R equal to identity element, where order of A to the power K equal to R, and then R is the least positive integer. Here R be the least positive integer. Here A to the power K to the power P is identity element. Therefore, R divides P. This is number 9. From 7 and 9. Here in 7, P divides R. In 9, R divides P. We get R equal to P. Implies that R equal to P means N by M. Implies that R equal to N by M be the HCF of N and K. Implies that R be the order of A to the power K and N be the order of A. Here HCF of order of A and K. This is the required formula. Now we solve a problem. Problem is A is an element of a group G with order 30 Find the order of a to the power 18. Now we solve this. Since order of a equal to 30, this is n, to find order of a to the power 18, let 18 equal to k. We know that order of a to the power k equal to n by GCD of n and k, means HCF of n and k, implies that order of a to the power 18 equal to n is 30. Here GCD of 30 and 18, this equal to 30 by, this is 6. HCF of 30 and 18 is 6. This equal to 5. Therefore, order of a to the power 18 equal to 5. Now we solve the problem. Problem is, let G with given binary operation be a group and B belongs to G such that order of B equal to 20. Then find order of number 1 B to the power 6, number 2 B to the power 8, number 3 B to the power 15. Now we solve this. We know that if B belongs to group G such that order of B equal to n, order of B to the power k equal to r, then r equal to n by GCD of n and k. That is, order of B to the power k is n by GCD of n and k. GCD means HCF of n and k. Now we solve number 1. To find order of B to the power 6, here n equal to 20, order of B is 20 and k equal to 6. Therefore, order of B to the power 6 equal to n means 20 by GCD of 20 and 6. This is 20 by GCD is 2, that is 10. Therefore, order of B to the power 6 is 10. Number 2. To find order of B to the power 8, here n equal to 20, k equal to 8. Therefore, order of B to the power 8 equal to n means 20 by GCD of 20 and 8. This is equal to 20 by GCD of 20 and 8 is 4. This is 5. Therefore, order of b to the power 8 is 5. Number 3. To find order of b to the power 15. Here n equal to 20, k equal to 15. Therefore, order of b to the power 15 equal to n means 20 by GCD of n means 20 and k means 15. And this is equal to 20 by GCD is 5, that is 4. Therefore, order of b to the power 15 is 4. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.